Today, we're diving deep into the world of numismatics to explore the fascinating story, rarity, and true value of the 1998 Hong Kong 20 cents coin in clean circulated condition. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Hong Kong's coins are more than just pocket change. They're windows into a complex and dynamic history. Before the 1997 handover, Hong Kong's coins featured British monarchs, but post-1997, a fresh chapter began. Footage of Hong Kong skyline, British and Chinese flags, coin designs from different eras. In 1998, the 20 cents coin was issued under the new Hong Kong Special Administrative Region. This was a moment of cultural transition, when tradition met change, and coins were among the first public symbols to reflect that shift. The coin's features, designed with a message. Rotating view of the 1998 20 cents coin, front and back. The 1998 Hong Kong 20 cents coin is made of nickel brass and weighs about 2.59 grams. Its scalloped edge gives it a unique feel, instantly recognizable to collectors. But what makes it truly special? Zoom in on the Bauhinia flower. Where on the obverse, you'll find the iconic Bauhinia Blaicana, Hong Kong's emblem flower. It replaced the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II after the 1997 handover. Simple, elegant, and symbolic, the Bauhinia represents resilience and harmony. Our reverse side showing denomination and year. On the reverse, you'll see 20 cents clearly engraved, along with the year 1998 and Hong Kong in both English and traditional Chinese. Every detail was crafted with purpose. Why? This coin is valuable. It's all about rarity. Now here's where things get really interesting. The 1998 20 cents coin was part of the early issues after the handover, and mintages were surprisingly low compared to other years. Chart showing mintage numbers 1997 through 2000. Many of these coins were heavily used in everyday transactions, which makes finding a clean circulated specimen exceptionally rare. But here's the real kicker. Some variations in mint condition examples have sold for hundreds, even thousands of dollars at auctions and private sales. Insert auction screenshot. $200 sale price for a high-grade 1998 20 cents coin. According to recent numismatic reports, one such coin in pristine circulated condition fetched up to $200, while extremely fine uncirculated versions have reached values above $2,000. That's right, over $2,000 for a 20 cent coin. Collectability, what makes it a hot item. Collectors are not just paying for the metal, they're paying for history, symbolism, and scarcity. The 1998 edition carries emotional and historical weight, being part of the first full year of coinage after British rule ended. Our collector showcase glass case with rare Hong Kong coins. It's also a transitional piece, and transitional coins are often very attractive to collectors, especially when they're from geopolitical turning points like the 1997 Hong Kong handover. Zoom in on a graded coin, MS64, PCGS. Graded coins from reputable services like PCGS or NGC command even higher prices. If you have one that's been preserved in clean circulated condition, no scratches, solid definition, you could be sitting on a small fortune. What is clean circulated condition? Let's clear something up. What exactly is clean circulated condition? It means the coin has been used but still retains much of its original luster and details. The edges are sharp, there are no major dents, and the engravings are legible and intact. Damaged coin versus clean circulated coin. This condition is highly prized among collectors because it balances authenticity with preservation. Think of it as finding a first edition book with only minor creases. It still tells a story but hasn't been destroyed by time. How to identify a valuable 1998 coin. Here's what you need to look for to know if your 1998 Hong Kong 20 cents coin is worth serious money. Bauhinia flower sharp and visible. No corrosion or green oxidation. Date clearly readable, when 1998.
No deep scratches or bent edges. Still has original golden shine. Hands holding coin under light with magnifier. If your coin checks these boxes, it could be a candidate for grading, and possibly fetching a 3- or 4-figure price. Where to? Sell or get it graded. Ready to cash in? Here's how. Get it graded. PCGS, NGC. Heritage auctions, local coin shows. Coins that are authenticated and graded have a much higher chance of selling for top dollar, especially on platforms like eBay, heritage auctions, or via direct sale to private collectors. Don't dismiss your loose changed. So the next time you're sorting through your drawer, take a closer look at that odd little coin. The 1998 Hong Kong 20-cent coin is more than just a relic. It's a valuable story etched in brass, a symbol of change, and maybe, just maybe, your unexpected jackpot. To understand the 1998 Hong Kong 20-cent coin, we must first explore the pivotal moment in Hong Kong's history, the handover of 1997. After more than 150 years of British colonial rule, Hong Kong was officially handed over to China on July 1, 1997, under the One Country, Two Systems framework. Visuals on screen. Footage of the 1997 handover ceremony, British and Chinese flags. The words, One Country, Two Systems. The year 1998 marked the first full year of Hong Kong's new status as a special administrative region of China. It was a time of economic adaptation, political uncertainty, and cultural reassessment. Amidst this transition, the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, HKMA, and the Hong Kong government continued to issue coins that reflected the city's unique identity. One such coin was the 20-cent coin of 1998, evolution of the 20-cent denomination. The 20-cent denomination has a long legacy in Hong Kong coinage. It was first introduced in 1866 under the reign of Queen Victoria and remained a part of the currency system throughout British rule. Over the decades, the design, composition, and size of the coin changed. However, it always played a vital role in everyday transactions, used to buy a tram ticket, a newspaper, or a small snack. Visuals on screen. Black and white photos of old Hong Kong. Early 20-cent coins from 19th and 20th centuries. By the 1990s, the 20-cent coin had evolved into a small, scalloped-edged, lightweight coin, simple yet iconic. It was made primarily for convenience and mass circulation. Design and symbolism. Let's take a closer look at the design of the 1998 20-cent coin, starting with the obverse, the side that usually bears a symbol of authority. Visuals on screen. High resolution. Close-up of the obverse SID. Instead of a monarch's portrait, as found on pre-1993 coins, the 1998 issue features the bauhinia flower, a 5-petaled blossom native to Hong Kong and a symbol of the city's identity. This flower design replaced the Queen's portrait beginning in 1993 to reflect a more localized image. The change anticipated the political transition of 1997, aligning with Hong Kong's emerging autonomy. Bauhinia blakeiana, Hong Kong's floral emblem since 1965. The Bauhinia blakeiana, discovered near Pak Fu Lam, symbolizes harmony, unity, and resilience, qualities highly valued by Hong Kong's people. On the reverse side, you'll see the denomination 20 in the center, the word cents below it, the year of minting, 1998. Chinese characters reading Shangang, Hong Kong visuals on screen, reverse side close-up, highlighting the scalloped edges. The coin's unique scalloped edge with 12 notches adds a tactile and visual distinction, making it easily recognizable by touch, especially useful for the visually impaired metal composition and dimensions. The 1998 Hong Kong 20-cent coin is crafted from nickel brass, giving it a golden tone. Here's a breakdown of its physical specifications. Diameter, 19 millimeters. Thickness, 1.52 millibaras. Weight, approximately 2.59 grams. Shape, 12 scalloped edge, Composition: 79% copper, 20% zinc, 1% nickel. This alloy gives the coin a bright appearance and decent durability in circulation. It resists corrosion, which is crucial for the humid climate of Hong Kong. The coin was minted by the Hong Kong Monetary Authority, which took over currency issuance from the British colonial administration. By 1998, millions of 20-cent coins were in circulation. These coins were produced in large volumes to ensure daily usability, especially for low-cost items like small food purchases, bus fares, or vending machines. Visuals on screen: footage of people using coins, shops, and markets. In Hong Kong, value and collectability. Now let's talk about the value of the 1998 20-cent coin, not just its monetary worth, but its value to collectors. In circulated condition, these coins are common and typically valued at face value or a few cents above, depending on where. However, uncirculated or mint condition pieces can fetch around $1 to $3 USD among collectors. Visuals on screen: price chart for different grades, images of BU, brilliant uncirculated coins. Collectors value the coin not only for its design, but for its symbolic timing, the first year after the handover, making it part of the post-colonial narrative. Comparison with earlier issues. The 1998 coin stands in contrast to earlier 20-cent coins that bore the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. Those coins had a distinctly colonial aesthetic. Visuals on screen. Comparison: 1980s coin versus 1998. Coin transition timeline from royal portrait to bauhinia flower. This shift reflects more than a design change. It mirrors Hong Kong's changing identity. From a British colony to a Chinese SAR, the coin marks a major societal transformation. Legacy and modern relevance. So why does the 1998 20-cent coin still matter today? Firstly, it's a living artifact from a historical transition. Secondly, it serves as a symbol of local pride and identity in a city that's always balanced between East and West. Coins like this are reminders that even small denominations can carry great historical weight. Clean, circulated condition. Numismatic view. Let's focus briefly on what we mean by clean circulated condition. A coin in clean circulated condition is one that has been used in commerce but is still intact and legible without major scratches, bends, or corrosion. Such coins retain their original shape and detail, have some signs of wear on the bauhinia or numerals, may have minor discoloration from handling. Visuals on screen. Close-ups of clean circulated coins. Comparison with worn and uncirculated versions. While not rare, clean circulated coins are excellent for beginner collectors or those who want an authentic piece of history without breaking the bank. Cultural footprint. Coins also reflect culture. The bauhinia flower isn't just a coin symbol. It appears on Hong Kong's flag, official documents, and public monuments. The 1998 coin helped embed this identity into the daily lives of millions. Every time someone used it to buy a ferry ticket or a sweet bun, they engaged with a symbol of unity and change. Final thoughts: why this coin matters. In a world where digital transactions are rising and coins are becoming obsolete, the 1998 20-cent coin reminds us of a tangible, transitional moment in Hong Kong's journey. It's not just about metal. It's about memory, of identity, of sovereignty, and of a people navigating change. Visuals on screen. Slow zoom on the coin's obverse. Hong Kong skyline at sunset. Uplifting traditional modern fusion music fades in. Thanks for joining us on this journey through history, design, and identity, all told through a humble 20-cent coin. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow coin lovers. Let us know in the comments, do you have a 1998 Hong Kong 20-cent coin? Or perhaps another favorite from your collection? Until next time, happy collecting.